In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online for a China Southern Airlines ticket. If you want to save time at the airport and make your travel day a little smoother, online check-in is a great option. The process is fairly simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do. To begin, open the official China Southern Airlines website or the mobile app. It's always best to use the airline's official platform so you can access the correct check-in page securely and avoid any confusion. Once the site or app loads, stay on the home page, because that's where you'll find the main travel options and account features. Before moving forward, make sure you are already signed into your account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in first. This can help your booking details load more easily and may make the check-in process more convenient. After you've signed in successfully, you're ready for the next part. Now look for the tab labeled Online Check-in or simply Check-in. This is the section you'll use to access your booking and begin the online check-in process. Tap or click that option to continue. On the check-in page, you'll need to enter your travel details carefully. Start by typing in your ticket number. After that, enter your surname and then your given name. Make sure the spelling matches the details on your booking and travel document, since even small mistakes can sometimes cause issues when retrieving a reservation. Next, enter your flight number. This helps the system identify the exact flight connected to your ticket. Take a moment to double check everything you've typed so your check-in request goes through without errors. Once all the required details are entered, click or tap Confirm. This will submit your information and move you to the next stage of the online check-in process. At this point, the system should locate your booking and continue with the check-in flow. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to keep your ticket information ready before you start, and make sure you have a stable internet connection so the process goes smoothly from beginning to end. That's all it takes to get started with online check-in for your China Southern Airlines ticket. Follow each field carefully, review your information before confirming, and you should be able to move through the process much more easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.